Do you think that all the living organisms have similarity? Similarity in the sense of their biology, that means in the sense of their structures, in the sense of their appearance? I don't think so. And so, all the living organisms, they have their own characteristics. That is mainly because of the property of variation among the living organisms. In fact, variations are the occurrence of the differences among the individuals of the same species. Same species means even say humankind. All the human beings, they have different appearance. Even the same parent, different offspring, all the offsprings will have slight different appearance as compared to one another. The variation is formed during the process of reproduction. Organisms which reproduce vegetatively, that means asexual method of reproduction. I hope you still remember the methods, various methods of asexual method of reproduction from the previous chapter. Now, the living organisms which reproduce asexually, they show very few variations as compared to those living organisms which are reproducing sexually. Why? That is mainly because the sexual reproduction includes meiosis, which is not present in the process of asexual method of reproduction. Because you know that asexual method of reproduction, that includes only one individual, and that individual by various methods like binary fission or multiple fission, sporulation, fragmentation, they give rise to large number of other species or other living organisms. But not in the case of sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, the cell divides, that means the zygote which is formed during the gamete formation, that divides by the process which is known as meiosis. Now during meiosis, crossing over of the gene takes place. The crossing over of the gene will take place that one of the gene, the identical gene, will be from the father side, that is the male side. And the other gene will be from the mother side, that is the female side. And the crossing over of the genetic material of those chromosomes will take place during the process of meiosis. So it is due to this crossing over, a whole new set of gene is being produced. That means a completely new combination of genes are produced in those gametes. Because of this reason, large variety of variations take place whenever a living organism reproduces sexual method. Now variations are very important. That is mainly because that all the variations, they don't have equal chances to survive. Supposing the variation is very drastic, very dramatic, completely say genetic mutation takes place very quickly, then those kinds of variations, they do not have any chance to survive. But depending upon the nature of variations, there are different advantages. Variations which are highly beneficial for the environment, only those variations are selected. Other variations which are drastically changing, which is not suitable for the environmental condition, those variations will not be selected. Such selected variations which, when accumulated more and more, then the process of evolution, that becomes possible.